Walk a little slower, boobs a little lower, hair turning gray. Found a new wrinkle today. Yay! Arthritis, bursitis, crepey skin, liver spots. Why did I walk in this room again? Back hurts, knees hurt, farting spontaneously. That was not me. Early bird special, decaf, please. Where is my coupon? Buy one, get one free, in bed by 8 up 3 times to pee. Oh, the woes of growing old. It is said that one should grow old gracefully. Graceful has never applied to me. The age you are should not dictate who you are. Dance every day, live, play, speak your mind. Don't leave your childhood behind. Every year you get to celebrate is a wonderful gift. And for goodness sake, eat lots of cake.